Hello, welcome back guys to Sporaria channels here. Today in this video, I'm going to show you a tutorial how to set automatic dark mode on a Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click like, click subscribe and the bells button below to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, of course here you just have to open the settings first. And yeah, now at this settings page, you will see this is the display options. You just have to tap on it. To set automatic dark mode on this page, you just have to tap on this dark theme, tap on it, and now we'll see the schedule options. You just have to tap on it here guys to set it automatically. Now in this pop-up, you can choose this automatically will active for the dark theme. The first one is turn on at a custom time. When you have a specific time, here you can apply the start time and the end time. But here, the second option is turns on from sunset to sunrise. So when the sunset comes, the phone will automatically change to the dark theme, yeah guys. Here I'm gonna choose the second one. And to activate, you just have to close this page because the dark theme will automatically active at sunset time. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.